Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end, and we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. All right, guys, let's do this URL Profit AI review. So let's get to the sales page right here. Now, how do you get to the sales page? For that, you will have to click the link below my YouTube video, which says grab URL Profit AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Okay, and my bonuses are linked to the sales page as well, as you can see. So this link is going to deliver you bonuses automatically if you go and buy from my link below. Okay, now let's talk about this, and we have a demo video as well. So we have access to the software as well. As you can see, this is the dashboard, this is the campaign builder. I'll show you everything. So let's go to the sales page where it says world's first triple AI affiliate campaign agent that analyzes any URL and turn any affiliate URL into a 30-day AI profit campaign. Well, you might not understand anything from the sales page, so we'll have to show you the demo video and the dashboard itself. So when you are on the sales page, you will find the full 12 minutes long demo video. So you have to click on play here and watch that demo video in your free time. Okay, so go to the sales page, watch this demo video, and then go grab your copy. Let me go through some question answers and then I'll show you the dashboard. Okay, so let's get to the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty lengthy. All right, so where are we? What is URL Profit AI? So this is an AI powered affiliate campaign system. I'll show you what it is. Do I need to know affiliate marketing? No, URL Profit AI is built for beginners. So do I need to write in? Of course not. I have seen it. Can I use any affiliate URL? Yes, you can. Does it create 30-day campaign? Yes, it does. Can it help me find better angles? It can. Does it create bridge pages? It does. I have seen it. So can it create short to video scripts? It can. Yes. Can I track my clicks? Of course you can. That's why they have the question. So can I use this for clients? Of course you can if you buy the upgrade. Are there monthly fees? No. Is this beginner friendly? Of course it is. Is there a guarantee? It's risk free guarantee. Do we have? I think they have some maybe 30 days. I don't know how much guarantee they have. 30 days. Yeah, you see somewhere I saw 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, and then there should be a coupon code as well somewhere at the top. So it says use code URL3. So try to use this coupon code URL3 and you will get $3 off. So you may get this in only $14. Okay, so go and watch this demo video when you come to the sales page. Where is the demo video? It's right here. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you the demo video because You already have to see that on the sales page, but I'll show you how this is gonna function. So we are in the dashboard right now, okay? And do you want me to tell you the OTOs first, or let's show you dashboard first? So you are into the dashboard right here, and we'll click or we'll start a new campaign. So we have to have a URL for the offer first. For example, I'm gonna take this offer only, URL Profit AI, and come here and you go to campaigns. You can do it in two ways: either you go to dashboard or you go to campaigns. Okay, so I'm going to click on new campaign and then paste my URL and click on analyze offer. It's going to analyze it. In the meantime, I can probably talk about OTOs or later on. Okay, so we got quality 82, which is a good, which is very good, because now you don't have to waste time on something which will not sell. So if the rating is high, that means yes, you can go and promote it. Okay, so 82 is a very good offer. And now scroll down and click on configure campaign, and this is where you can choose. Okay, do you want the standard classic 30-day campaign with daily content, or evergreen blah blah blah? So I will leave on standard. And then what we got, so do you want comparison, review, this and that? I think let's make it review. And then which publishing platforms, so let's say email or Reddit. Let's say you can choose your WordPress website. So you can choose all of them, but it will take some time to generate the campaign. So in the demo, I'm only using three platforms. Okay, then you can have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can connect all these things. Okay, YouTube as well, TikTok. You can connect everything, Pinterest as well. Okay, that's these are the main powerful, because if you can post on Pinterest and Facebook and TikTok and YouTube every day, you will have some traffic. Okay, so let's click on generate campaign. That's going to take some time, so I'll get back to this. So in the meantime, let's talk about the OTOs. So the OTOs are right here. So front end will cost you, I guess, the $14, maybe 17. I think 14. OTO, what is this? OTO, well, I don't see the prices. So let's go and try to find if we can see the prices somewhere, somehow. You can also try to use this coupon code UPA3. Okay, UPA3 is also one more code. Try to use that. And let me see if I can find the prices for the OTOs. It only got pictures. It doesn't talk about the prices. Okay, so it doesn't mention the prices, all right? So it doesn't show how much you have to pay for which OTO, I guess. Or maybe I'm not able to see. Well, it doesn't show. Anyway, so I think we have to leave it as it is. And when you go and visit the relevant sales pages, then you have to figure out which OTO, which upsell you need, or which one you don't. Okay, so you can pick and choose, but go and grab this URL Profit AI using my link below, because my bonuses are already linked, so you will get the bonuses as well. And make sure you watch the video till the end, because we're gonna talk about the bonuses in the end. Okay, so it's progressing, it's analyzing, 92% done, but I have created another campaign before, and for that you can see this is what happens. Okay, so I'm not sure if how much will it take in this video. So anyways, I was running a different campaign earlier, and for that we have created these things: email, subject line, Reddit post here, everything. Okay, and if I click on the schedule, or this one is ready. Well, this one is taking time, so I'm gonna show you the one which is already ready. Okay, so I'll click on schedule all posts. Okay, and campaign scheduled, so it's done, I guess, right? So all you have to do is link all your accounts, and then choose your timing and everything. And let me see, that's all. It's all live, and this one is ready too, as you can see. Okay, campaign ready. 30-day campaign automation, this and that, and this is all content. So you can do copy and paste if you want to manually do it, copy and paste. Otherwise, you can just click on schedule all post here again, and it shows it's all scheduled, right? So this is how you can go and utilize the software. And for more information, go and watch this demo video on the sales page, and go and grab the copy using my link. And now make sure you watch the video till the end. We'll talk about how to make money, and we'll also talk about how to get these bonuses. All right, guys, now we are done with the review, and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods, which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link, and then you enter your name and email, and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video. Okay, you can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge, and should you go and join this program or not. Okay, this is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money. Okay, it's an investment thing. Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money. Okay. So right from the beginning, this option trading, forex trading, is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay, it's not for you. No headaches. Right. It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link. Right. Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial. Okay. The testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. If your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay. And then obviously you can watch more testimonials, and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video. You can sell your services, whatever. Okay. So this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay. So go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay. I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay. But you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first. Okay, and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, so I have attached the screenshot here, so you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot. Okay, but you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions. Okay, so anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one-to-one, you're not sure what is suitable for you. You should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one-to-one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free. Okay, and Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I'm giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay, and last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses, and if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me, and you can get Kiss-Jacking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.